right, guys, let's talk about the secrets to an amazing audition that go beyond just the right song. So stay tuned, buckle up, let's do this. All right, all. So I think it is no secret that having the right song choice is key. And so really quickly, just to elaborate on that too, having dealt with hundreds of people in auditions, be it for major reality shows and helping them land private auditions, haven't done private auditions, haven't actually worked with someone who was on Idol, and haven't hosted quite a few workshops with Broadway stars. I think I got a little bit of info to share and some really cool things. But that being said, song choice is so important, and it's key that you pick something that you feel like you could perform in your sleep. Because on top of just like the whole anxiety of the audition itself, because let's just call a spade, like auditions, I don't know, is there anyone, drop a comment, like anyone who's like, oh my god, I love auditions? Maybe there are, maybe people do. But I tend to find most people find them to be a bit nerve-wracking because there's stuff on the line, right? And we're gonna get to that in a little bit. But that being said, if you pick a song that you are not fully comfortable with, and you're like, hey, I just wanna showcase like the biggest song that I can possibly do, you might be doing yourself a disservice. Now, why do I say that? Is because you're already going to be in your head and nervous about the audition, and then if you throw on there a song that you are not really confident with or really comfortable with, it tends to just show. And so I always say with that, it's not like you want to downplay or pick the super easy song. You want to pick a song that showcases your voice, but not something that you're working on. I would say showcase what you have, not the things that you're working on. So if you're really working on hitting top belt notes, but you're not fully there, pick the mid belt notes, right? A song that maybe showcases that, the pockets that just really fit within your voice. And I think far too often, especially people who are beginning their audition journey, they tend to just want to be like, I just want to showcase this huge song because it's a huge song, and you know, I want them to see that. And it's like, no, they don't really care about that. There's like, if you see past auditions that have been successful, there's people of all different ranges. It doesn't really matter. I think it's just that these people pick songs that really showcase the best pockets of their voice. And so that being said, if you want to find out what your range is, check out below. I have a video on that as well. But moving forward, so song choice is huge, and picking a song that really fits your voice is going to be essential. Now, outside of that, what are the other things that make a crazy good audition? That would be how you walk in the room. I think far too often, people walk into a room and they don't realize that the eyeballs are on them from the very beginning, right? And so if you're walking in and you're kind of like questioning, you're not making eye contact, and you're visibly nervous, it kind of sets it up that way where they're kind of like, oh, I don't know if I can depend on this person to carry whatever role they're auditioning for, be it if it's musical theater or if it's for a reality show. I mean, reality TV